Hey everyone, my name is Brandon Levine and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to update an entire folder of various adaptive forms, PDF forms, and form fragments. So this is a very simple process. It may come in handy if you have multiple author instances of AEM forms and you want to keep everything consistent. So a way to do this is, let's say you've been working in this particular form for quite a bit, you made a lot of different changes, and now you want to roll out these changes um, across all your different author instances. Again, it may vary on, you know, necessity of this based off, your current deployment of AEM. But a way we can update these forms across instances is by, first off, we have to download them. And I just refreshed it, and we can see that they were last modified roughly about 6-7 minutes ago. And we'll keep that in mind while we go through this demo. So I'm going to go take a step back to my public sector forms folder where I have a number of folders here. And under the VA folder, I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to click on download. It's going to download as a CRX package, and it may take a second. So I can open up that, and I'm going to change the name. I'm going to change the name to, let's say, YouTube update test. And now I'm going to go back to my instance. I'm going to exit or make sure I'm not clicked on anything. And now all you have to do, I can even be on the initial forms and repository or forms and document repository section. And from here, I can just click on create, file upload, and we'll make sure we are selected on that YouTube update test. I'll click on that. It's going to show us what's going to update, and we'll click on upload. And Forms already knows where that folder is located, so we don't have to do anything in terms of, upload the folder in this Forms and Documents repository and move it to the subsection under Public Sector Forms. We're able to just go to Public Sector Forms, VA, and we can see that all the contents within the VA form or VA folder, have been updated. So thank you guys for watching today's video. Please leave a like, a comment, and please subscribe, and have a nice day.